letter or offer details. So now your client provided some different offer details. Example, your client is located in USA and in India. For USA we have a separate offer letter details, and in India we have a separate offer detail information. So first we have to collect this information, and then we have to design this offer letter in your system. Suppose let me show you how the offer details output is looks like, and then based on that requirement we will configure it. Let me open any candidate here. So here you have option called take action. So once you click on this take action, you will get different options here. So now here you'll get offer letter, but here we don't have offer details, because make sure whenever you want to attach a offer letter, make sure the candidate in offer stage. When the candidate in offer stage, then only we can send a offer letter to the candidate. So let me select this offer details information. You cannot directly send the offer letter when the candidate in forward stage or interview 1 or 2. So you can offer. So here we have two options. One is offer approval and offer letter. So first, whenever you release any offer letter, first we will send for a offer approval. So click on this offer approval. Oh, something happened. Take action. Offer letter. So here we have to select the which offer letter you want to send to that candidate. First you have to select the country. Like here we have Australia, India and United States. Now if you want to add a new country also, you can add it. So let me select India and select the language and the template also. So there is only one template available for India. And once you select the template, you can see the output, how the offer letter is looks like. This is how the offer letter, and inside we have some base salary, flexible, cash pay. Likewise, different options are available. Okay. So this one we have to configure. So now your client said that you have to configure it like UK or in India. We need one more template here. I want one more template here. So for that we are using this offer details template. Let me take one more page. Cancel. Let me try to open offer details. There we are facing one error. Usually we don't get that error. And for offer approval also same way, we have some templates. So in offer detail template, we have two things. One is for offer approval process creation, then the second one is offer template creation. So here we have a offer approval. So what is the main importance of this offer approval? Before releasing any offer letter, first initially we will send it for manager approval, that offer. So first we will take the acceptance from candidate, like whether they are okay with that particular offer, and then we will send the same offer details to the manager for approval, that final approval. So that approval, here we have a offer details. Here we have to select the offer template. So here we have some different offer details, like standard offer details, mass offer details. Let me take the standard offer details. When I select standard offer details, I could see some options here: hiring manager, division, department, and What is the candidate type and currency, everything. Okay. Now, if you want to create, now my client asking one more page called here. They're looking some option called tax calculation here. Tax type. Like no, there may be some like some tax type like regular tax or like discount like that, exception like that. So I want to add one more field here, tax type. Okay. So if you want to add a new tax type in the same template under standard offer details, so where we will add, we will go to manage templates. Go to manage templates. Select recruiting management, offer details. So inside offer details, you can see how many templates are already active. So now I'm talking about standard offer details, or else if you want to add a new template also, you can add. Let me add a new template. So here I'm entering the name called Indian offer details. So select here which field you want to map. So here you can directly map the fields from job requisition template or from application template or standalone, like standard one also you can take it. So for example, I'm going to add a custom date field. This is date field. Date you can add. And now I want to add some fields from requisition template also. So let me take some requisition template details. It means whenever you collect any data from your job requisition template, the same fields will carry forward to this offer details template also. Example, in job requisition, we have a company name you will update, or you will update your hiring manager details in job requisition. The same data will capture to your offer details. So that is the reason we are capturing the fields from job requisition to your offer detail template. Let me take some department. So department is a pick list actually. So select here the pick list ID. Select any department here. Pick list where.
Raj, department will be also in job requisition. The department
Yes,
field would be there also, right?
yes. The department, division, location, and cost center,
But
city.
still, we
This
need
all.
to add it one more time while creating offer template.
Yes, so we have to carry forward. Like if your client asking me to get the information, because before releasing, like before approving any offer details, manager has to know like which location they are hiring this candidate for which department and division in the offer detail information.
Okay,
Yes, we
but
have to
it
create.
should be a matching like job requisition template and offer detail template like department like it's in
Yes,
the pick
yes, make
list field type. Then that in requisition also it should be the same, right?
yes. Yes, same should be same because if there also you have a pick list, here also you have to add it as pick list.
And field label, let's say like we can put it in a like different name, then it would be a mismatch and error would be coming. So for that we need to check it one more time, or is okay to
No,
do
no.
it?
For label, you can create anything. You can maintain two labels like here different name and there also different name. Okay.
Okay, okay,
But
okay.
label is not a problem. But ID should be same. Field ID should be
Field
same here.
ID.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So then you can pick some fields from your application also. So from application, I am taking some date of birth. And here is the date field. Okay. So let me add these fields now. And give mobile field permission also. Suppose if you want to access this mobile, you can give field permissions as well. Like whatever the fields you added, you can give in mobile also. You can access these fields. Offer approval. If you want to create offer approval step, approval type. Based on the role, you can select it. Manager approval. Okay, step editable. False. They can't edit their information. If they want, you can give also. Approval value. Manager. So finally publish it. So there are few errors like invalid role for approval, upper approval manager. So we have to select proper ID, because whatever the role you added, so that role should be match here. So now let me remove this upper approval process and we will add it later. I don't want to use this means you can delete also. Let me publish. I'm going to publish again. So let me check. Maybe we have missed some data types. Okay, here we have department. So saying enum. So make sure here and there same field types. So I have selected Ficklish. So that is the reason the error is showing. So before creating, suppose whenever you are mapping any field between job requisition and offer details and also application from offer details. So first you check both the fields, whether which field you are using here and there and which type of pick list we are linked with that particular value. Okay, so we have added, and now let me go back here and refresh and check whether the new offer template is created or not. So here we have a Indian offer details. When I select Indian offer details, only those fields will pop up here. Here we have a department, date of birth. So likewise, if you want to add any new fields, you can go back again and you can add those fields also. And now if you want to add a new one more field, you can add from application or anywhere. For example, I'm going to select SSN. SSN is number, not number. Let me select number. We'll see. SSN, publish. I think that is not number. We'll see. Yes, text. Publish. And refresh and check the new fields are added or not. So likewise, before creating any offer approval, first we will take all the fields from company, like client, which field they are looking for, what type of field, likewise. There is one more field SSN added, likewise. And here you no need to create any field permissions because we don't have any field permissions. You can directly create any field and it will visible to all the people who are as proper permissions. Okay, so this is how we can create a offer details. So first we have selected this language and then you select this offer detail template. So whatever the active templates are there in your managed templates, you can directly check it here. So this is first offer approval details creation. Next there is a template. Okay, I told you right, there are two things: offer approval and offer template. Okay, so there are two types of templates here. We have first we have to create offer approval, which is done by now. Just go using this manage templates. We will create offer approval template first. Now there is a main offer detail templates. Like more after approval, we are going to attach one offer template. So that template again we are going to create in different place, not in manage templates. There is an option called form offer template. There is an option directly offer template, manage offer letter templates. Using this manage offer letter template, you can directly create one more template. Like here we already have some India, like there is one template. When I click on this Indian template, we will be having some more information inside. Here you can see this one, offer letter India. It is enabled on the subject and what are the text you are looking for. This text. Likewise. Now my client provided this information. I want to create a one more template for India. Again for India. To create a new brand new template, create new template. Create new template. So first you have to select country, India, and then the language also. So you have to select the language which one you want to use, and the template name. Indian offer template 2. I'm selecting. IT employees only. Example, I'm using this template for only IT employees. Subject, and inside you copy paste the body of the text, entire body. I have already copied there, so I'm pasting same information here. Now if you want to make any modifications, you can make it, and if you want to give any different conditions also, you can give the conditions as well. And click on save. So we have created one more template for Indian country. So it's Indian offer template 2. And now go back and check whether the new template is available or not. In offer letter, take action, offer letter. So first select the country, India, and check whether the new template is available or not. See, there are two templates available. So for normal employees, we are using this template. For IT employees, we are using second template. So whatever the information we maintain there, that will available here. And now we can send any data. Like if you click on next, the system is going to capture all this information like candidate first name, last name. You can see. Now you can see that information is already captured along with your company logo also. Okay. And you can send different ways of offers, like online offer with e-signature, online offer, verbal offer, email as text, and email as PDF. So online offer with the signature means we will click on, when you send this online offer, user will get one link. When the user click on that, open that link, it will take you to one digital signature. So he has to sign digitally and submit it. That is online offer with e-signature. So only online offer means it will directly send one link, so that they can open the offer detail, offer information. Verbal means, so this is like normal hard copy of thing, hard copy. And email as text also, like text type format also you can send the offer letter, and email as PDF attachment. So PDF attachment also we can send it, but most of the time we will see email as PDF attachment only. In any organization they usually use PDF formats only. Example, if you click on online offer, it will ask which where you want to send. and how you want to send, and you can click on next. It got stuck in between. So here finally we'll get it, and you can send a link. So email link to offer details template information. So let me give my email ID and we'll see how the output is looks like. Let me give in CC. So it's taking little time to load the template backend. Okay, so this is about your offer details and offer letter. Let me send to CC send. Yes, that information is sent. So click on and done. Once you done, click on. Let me open my Gmail. It's not at came. Okay, not it came. It will take some time to deliver. Okay, so this is all about your offer details template. So keep it in mind, in job requisition, application, and other candidate profile, we don't have two options. But for offer information, offer approval, offer details, we have two things. First one, we have to create offer details template and offer letter. There are two things. So in offer details, you're going to collecting only some requirement fields like your department, division, start date, like start date, end date, and your accepted salary. This basic information we will collect in offer details. So when we use that offer details, whenever you want to send for approval, before sending approval, we have to select the template and we have to update the fields. And most of the fields are copy like capturing from your job description template or application template. Okay, like let's say like your department, division, business unit, this information carry forwarding from like capturing from your job description template, but other start date, hire date, are like personal information like first name, last name. This information we are capturing from your application template. And also you can create standard like custom fields also in offer details. So that is the first template. To create that, you directly go to manage templates and there we will add that information. Okay. The second thing is offer template. So based on the country, we have different templates. Like for India, we have a different template, and US we have a separate template. To create that separate template, again we are using manage offer detail template. Okay, manage offer letter template. So this page. So using this page, you can create a new template. While creating this template, first we will select the country and the language and remaining information like subject name and body of the template. So this is how you are going to create a offer details. So any doubt, any confusion, guys? Just let me know.
Raj, I think this one is the much easier one, right? Compared to other
Yes, it's
job
easier.
requisition, yeah, candidate application. It's much easier.
Yes, it's easy. And
Okay.
a candidate profile also somewhat easy only. That only the thing is in application and job requisition there are some logic like more logics inside permissions and all. But
Yes, yes,
this one is very easy.
true.
There is no complications or nothing. Okay. And also you can configure this offer details using your XML also. So provisioning also you can create that. So go to this provisioning and inside there is option called offer details. Import export offer details. Here we have, where is that? Import update export offer detail template. So this is only for offer details, not for any other. See, we just created one offer called Indian offer details. Okay, so if you want to create any new fields here, you can use that. Just open that, download.
What is that, Raj, validate against other templates?
Yes, whenever you have any error in your template, okay, suppose if you are facing any error, so that time you can validate this template with any other template like your job requisition template or with any offer details also. So it means uh, like to check, suppose I'm facing some errors in my offer detail template while uploading, or maybe the data is not matching, or anything is showing like this job applications, like there are few job applications and with job requisitions, and now I want to validate with this with that. Okay, so this is nothing bad to check is there any errors. Like example, I have copy pasted same code from job requisition template and I have pasted in offer detail template. Example, department code, I'm adding department from job requisition. So now I want to validate against with that template and this template, is there any mismatch or something.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah, where is that offer details? Okay, so here it is. You can open this in notepad plus plus, and here you can add a new field. You can see we have already added mobile fields or these things. Now if you want to add a new field, just same way you can select it. You can select this field definition, paste. So here I'm using some custom field. Using tag missing. Okay, so ID I'm using some underscores, some ABC, and this is a text field, that is okay. Template type job application is showing. I don't want to use any template type because since it's a custom, so remove this template type and custom. I'm going to select it as true. And then you enter the label here.
Why you remove that template name?
Because we are not mapping any field from application, right? So before this SSN we mapped from job application template, but now we are adding our own custom field. We are not mapping anything with any template.
Okay.
This custom ABC is my own field, which is custom field. I am not mapping with any template. Suppose if you are mapping any field from job application or job requisition, you can see the department we mapped from job requisition template. So that is showing job deck. Okay.
Okay.
And here you can see we have added one field called custom date. So that field is not mapped with any requisition template or any application template. So that there is nothing. So whatever the field now I'm adding this custom ABC, which is not mapped with any job application or job requisition. We are
Okay.
directly adding, so that I have removed that template. Because if I give the job application template, if this field is not available in this job application, we will get validation error. It means this field is not exist in your application or job requisition.
Okay. So whenever we are creating any custom field, it's not like that. It was earlier. It was in that like in job requisition or job application, right? We're creating a new field. That's why it's a custom field.
Custom
So
field, yes.
yeah. So how come we are mapping from job application or job requisition while creating different fields, custom fields?
So different custom fields. Suppose if you want to map, you can map custom fields also. While in manage templates only, you can map directly. But here I'm adding brand new to the applicant field, which is not there in a job requisition template or application, which is out of the box. But example, I have some 4 fields in job requisition. Like one is department, and department and divisions are standard fields. Standard fields and 2 custom fields also. Custom fields like there is one date of birth and start date. So this is custom field. Okay. Now my client asking me to pick these two custom standard fields into your offer details and also custom fields like this date of birth and start date field into your offer details. Okay. So in manage template only we will update. Okay. Manage template, we have an option to pick 2 options: job requisition template standard fields, job requisition template custom fields. Let me show you how it is looks like. Manage template. So here we have 5 options, right? While creating fields, there are 5 options. You can see add job requisition standard field, add job requisition custom field, add job application standard field, and add job application custom field, or add standalone field. So now I'm adding is a standalone field. Whatever the field I'm creating discussed ABC is a standalone field which is not there in any of the field template, like nor job requisition or application. So that field is not there in any of the places. Suppose if you want to pick any custom field,
Okay.
any custom, you can directly select it here only. Okay. But before
Yeah,
picking
that will
any,
be mapped to the job requisition.
yes, that will be
Okay.
which is there in application or job requisition. Whatever the custom fields we added. So first you open the job requisition template and first know which is custom field and which is standard field. When you're mapping custom field from your job requisition, make sure you're updating correct field ID here.
Okay. Okay.
Whatever the field ID you mentioned in there, you have to update it. But here, whatever the field I'm adding, it's out of the box. Like it's a
Okay.
standalone field. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So in offer details, most of the time we will map the fields from job requisition and application only. Very rare, excuse me, very rarely we will add standalone fields like separate custom fields. Okay. So now let me save and I hope you got clarity on this.
Yeah, yes. And here also no need to give the permission and all for
No,
this.
no need to give any
Right.
form.
Okay.
So again, you go back and import it. Open and upload. Okay, so okay, so saying custom ABC cannot have custom too. This is custom only. What is this? We have to select false. Let me close this and validate that. What happened to this template? Only no shoot that. Let me try now, or else we will create one more field.
Maybe there is a like one more field with the same name, or what is the error actually?
The here is showing like does not mention custom is true because it's a standalone field is saying.
Okay.
But standalone field is we no need to maintain anything. So let me add one standalone field here using this template, and using that program I will create one more. But usually we'll create these fields in manage templates only because it's all like simple things, like only 2 to 3 fields we will add it. So most of
Right.
the things upload here only compared to that XML. For
Mhm.
offer details, you don't need to depend on XML because
Okay.
since it's very easy, so you can create here also. New text. I'm just adding here, and I'm publishing this.
This standalone option is only in offer template, right? Nowhere else. Or
Yes. Yes, the standalone option, because in other templates you have a custom field, not a standalone field.
Right.
So now what I'll do, I'll export once again the template. So here we mainly use XML work for job requisition and application template. And for candidate profile also we can directly create within the managed templates only. But few like to create these details using XML and few like to go with managed templates. Offer details, you can let me download once. What is this issue? Open this now. I'll directly open in XML itself. See here, I just added one string field and here it's showing true only, custom is true ID.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let me take one more field using custom string 2. Here I'll paste it, and instead of custom string 1 I'm using 2. So here I missed what I missed, we have to select the drop down values itself. Whatever the drop down standalone fields are there, those fields we have to select it. Means, so up to these fields only we have to select it. Likewise, we have to select these fields. So that is the reason it's showing error.
So first
Custom.
we have to do it over here, then we have to go to like provisioning,
No, no,
downloading, and no. Right,
no
okay.
need to.
You are
So
just checking
just
what
checking.
are the. Okay. Okay.
I'm just checking. So maximum you can either do using XML or you can directly do it in managed templates also. I'm just checking what type of program will get create once I create a standalone field. That is the reason I'm just checking.
Okay.
I'm just adding text to, and remaining things I'm not adding anything, and I'll save it and upload. Save. Yes. And now I'll go back and upload it. To upload. Okay, so offer detail template was updated successfully, and now let me go back and check in output. Offer details template. I'm just checking. So select the offer details, Indian offer details. Okay, see here you can see new text and new text. It's like I gave same fields for both new text and new text too, like that. Okay, that is the
Yes.
reason it's taking.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is how we can create a new offer details template. Okay. So it's simply, actually it's very simple compared to other things, and it's very easy also. I feel more comfort with candidate profile, and offer details are easy, and job requisition also somewhat easy, but with small like logics are there, complications like.
Yeah, because like we as a like new to this system, like keep on forgetting like what are the things we need to in the search option also while putting we are forgetting, and
Yes,
some like little confusing for us. But this offer one is straightforward, simple.
straightforward. Yes, straightforward. You can directly go and create it. Okay, cool. So that's with this we are done with all these 4 templates. Okay, so next we have other things. Okay, and have you observed while uploading, like creating any offer letter, we have some tokens like yellow lined, like yellow colored tokens, right? Let me show you how it is looks like. So here we have a offer details. When I attach that offer letter, inside we will get some yellow lines, some text like offer letter. So when you go here inside this body of text like logo, candidate first name, last name. So these informations it's directly picking from your templates. Like here also we have a hiring manager name. So when I select next, okay, here we have a logo and candidate first name, last name. So when I click on next step, the system will automatically pick the data. Like now we are releasing this offer letter for one candidate name called Kashil Amar. So for this candidate, we are releasing this offer letter. Okay, the system is going to automatically pick the candidate first name, last name, and profile address and everything of that candidate. Example, click on next. So these yellow lines will get captured with the data. See now the hiring manager is Bella Olma Matters is the hiring manager, and if you go up, you can see Cassie Lamar and his address and everything, and here also dear Cassie like that. Okay, so how this is works? Okay, so this we call it as tokens we use. Like we call it as tokens. This each line we call it as token. Logo is one token and these things are. So now I want to pick any other token from my job requisition. So we usually click on this option insert job requisition field. So here we have all the fields. Whatever the fields we added in your job requisition, those all fields are available here. So now I want to add some city field, like I want to add some email address. You can select the token and click on OK. So you can see the candidate profile, contact email. So click on next. Now the system is going to capture the backend data. This we call it as tokens. You can see now the system is capturing the email ID of the candidate also. Okay.
So
So
basically, it's
this is,
fetching from job requisition template,
yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah.
fetching the data from various sources, job requisition and application or candidate profile. Okay. So this data we are calling as tokens. These values we call it as tokens. Okay. So first what we will do, we will create all the tokens, like all the tokens means whatever the field you added in your job requisition, that all fields you can capture here, means you can fetch it here. These custom fields and standard fields or any type of field you can pick from there. Okay, and you can see from where you are picking, you can see in right side field key in which page, like this all fields comes under candidate profile, and if you go down, so this is from job requisition, like job description field, and next if you go down here you can see job application fields. Okay, and user template also likewise. Okay, so from any template you can capture these fields into your offer retail template. Okay, because every time it's not possible to enter data. Okay, once you collected data, the data will be carried forward until you release the offer letter. Okay, and once you click on next step, here you will get one template, like email notification. That one is not still not came. Okay, email notification, here you can see we will get some data, like your offer letter is looks like. Okay, and when I click on next, email as PDF. Okay, so when I click on email as PDF, here I have to select the template in like email notification template. Okay, offer internal candidate. So in this template they're going to maintain some data. Dear candidate, we are placed to offer you, like this we will get, right, email notification along with attachment. Okay, so these things also you're going to learn how to create these email notifications, how to create the tokens. So these are the next level of sessions. Okay, so that's for today, and try to practice that 4 templates. So we're done with that. So maximum spend some time on those tough templates like job requisition application. Okay, no problem, whatever the comfort of yours, like you're fine with XML, you can go with XML, or else you can directly create using managed templates also. Okay, if you have a large number of fields, then we suggest you to go with XML. If you have only one or two fields, then you can directly use manage templates. But this offer letters and candidate profile, you can directly go with manage templates only. It's more flexible than other XMLs. Okay. So that's for today, guys. And tomorrow, same time, we will connect. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Raj. Thanks. Bye bye.
Thanks, Raj.